Hi, in this video we're going to go over Tennessee court records and the resources you have available to you. To get started, visit tennesseepublicrecords.org. You can there should be a link in the description. You can click on that or just type it into your browser. So on the home page you will notice there is a pretty large list, alphabetized list of public resources, public databases available in the state of Tennessee. So depending on what your research is about, some of these could be useful. But we did create specific pages for the most sought after records. So anything from background checks, criminal records, court records. If you hover over other records, there's like a warrant search, vital information, property records, inmate searches, things like that. So these would be more detailed pages. I'm going to show you exactly how they work. Let's click on court records, and what you'll notice here are the different types of courts within the state of Tennessee and what each of these courts does. So anything from the Supreme Court to probate court. And so if there's also a description, sometimes you have to go to the county clerk's website to view these records. And if there is a statewide link available, we would provide that here for you. So I'm going to show you really quick what the county level research would be all about. Also, but these would be statewide resources. So not all of these can be accessed at the state level. Sometimes you have to go and do this research at the county level. So I'm going to click on the background check tab. And what you'll notice here is we covered the top counties in the state of Tennessee. So if you want to do case information, we have a specific link here for case inquiries, for instance, for Shelby County, and so on and so forth. So you can see how you can do your research at the county level just by utilizing the local court of clerks databases that they actually upkeep themselves. Another thing to consider is using the private search bar on top. This pulls public and private information. It's a system that compiles records from multiple states. So you're not just looking at Tennessee, you're looking at multiple databases, multiple states. Why this is sometimes important, let's say you're trying to look up if somebody has a criminal court record. If you're just looking at in a particular county, or if you're just looking at maybe a statewide search in Tennessee, but let's say the person moved from New York or maybe Texas or Utah, and now they're living in Tennessee. If you're just doing a county level search or a state search, you're not necessarily going to catch what potentially could have happened in the previous location, in the previous state. So in order to get that big picture view, make sure you're covering more things. You can also utilize this private database. So that's it. And with that said, visit tennesseepublicrecords.org and come on down and get started on your Tennessee court records search. Thank you.